we are at the Wabash Trace Trailhead in Shenandoah, Iowa.
Yep.
We parked in the Wabash Park, it looked like the sign said. Trailhead, we're going to start out riding south towards Coyne because we're looking for a tunnel for our scavenger hunt, and we saw on Google Maps that there's probably a tunnel that goes under a road there. And then maybe after lunch we'll ride north from Shenandoah for a little bit. So far, very pretty trail. Tree covered, shaded, a little cool, a little damp, and we're dodging walnuts. But I haven't hit one yet.
Nice trail.
Mm-hmm.
A little stiff this morning.
Mm-hmm.
Hard to get started.
Here we are at the other Shenandoah trailhead of the Wabash Trace Trail. This is actually just a couple blocks from the one we started at this morning, but this is the one that goes north out of town, and so here we go. The in-town part of it is paved, and starting out we ride by the swimming pool. We're headed to I guess Imogene. It's the next town up north from here, and it looks like it's 8.9 miles one way. We already rode 8.65 miles round trip this morning. Goddamn bugs. So we'll see. It's kind of windy, and we're heading into the wind to go, and it's also uphill. So coming back will be downhill with the wind at our back, but we'll see how far we get going one way.
We're dying. So we're back to the paved part. So we're almost back
mile and a half.
Shenandoah.
Yeah.
She can hardly hold the camera up.
We bit off a little more than we could chew.